I don't know what takes so long to get ready. I've been ready to ride my motorcycle for like 2 hours.
You're full of shit.
What's taking you so long? Where are we going today?
We're gonna ride back over towards Carlgate Reservoir.
Where's that?
North of here, it's on the edge of Virginia line.
So in North Carolina, but on the North Carolina-Virginia line.
Mm-hmm.
And what do they have up there?
All American food: steak, shrimp, seafood, burgers,
Nice.
anything you want. Cocktails.
What are you gonna have?
I don't know. Depends on how hungry I am.
How long is it gonna take us to get up there?
Riding with you probably about 3 hours, but the GPS says 1 hour and 40 minutes.
Why riding with me would it take longer?
Because you got to stop.
That's not true. I actually can ride for hours without stopping. I'm not old like you. We'll see you on the road. How's the ride so far?
It's good. It's just interstate ride. Now we fix get out some backcountry roads.
Nice. I'm just looking forward to eating some good food.
No doubt. I'm hungry.
Me too. Start recording if you feel like you want to say anything educational or beneficial or humorous.
Think they serve beer here?
Well, we made it. We're in what, Littleton, North Carolina?
Yeah, which is
Is it called Gaston Lake or Gaston Reservoir?
well, I think
Gaston Lake.
it does say Gaston Lake, but
It looks pretty. Hopefully the food's good.
I sure hope so. fish dip.
It's seafood dip. It's not like the Florida fish dip. It looks like homemade pita chips. Try it. How is it?
I like it better than the Florida fish dip.
Really?
Yeah.
you're just saying that.
It's good.
It's not as good as the Florida fish dip.
Oh, it's better.
What do you think of this view?
It's nice.
Reminds me of Florida.
It's freshwater.
What'd you get?
Rockfish, shrimp, fries, and slop. Rockfish
it?
is really good.
Is it? I got the crab cakes, risotto, and mashed potato. It's actually really good. But the best thing is honestly this view. I'm jammed.
I don't know if I'm about right back home. I'm so damn full. Did you enjoy the meal?
Yeah, it was good. Those crab cakes were good. The risotto was good. I haven't had risotto in a long time.
Let's go look at this water.
Well, I had a good day. Did you have a good day?
I did. Good ride up here. About an hour and a half back to the house.
Littleton, North Carolina is where we're at.
Yep.
It was a good day.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Have a good one.